Hello everyone. We are going to discuss about the properties of four scales. A scale is an instrument to measure the opinion of sample respondents. So there are four. One is nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. So the nominal scale is a scale which categorizes the sample respondents. For example, the question is a gender of the respondents. So generally there are two options that we can see in that for that question. One is a male and female. So this is called the two categories of respondents that we can categorize. So for that kind of questions, that nominal scale is the suitable. So the nominal scale differentiate the respondents. It is categorizes the entire sample respondents. That is called nominal scale. It can differentiate, and there is no orderly. We cannot arrange. You see here, the orderly arrange means the first. Second, third, fourth, and like that. So here in a nominal scale, only we can differentiate the sample respondents. We cannot make any order, and we cannot, and there is no distance among that all respondents also, and we cannot find even a unique origin also. Only the mode is the statistical technique that we can use for the nominal scale, and there is no application from the measures of dispersion that the that the nominal scale we can do the some test of significance. So for that, chi-square test is the suitable statistical tool to know the level of significance, how much of significance in between the two variables, dependent and independent variables. So in this case, for example, the male and female, this is called the gender. Gender is one variable, and another one is the saving of money is one variable. So if you want to know the significance between these two, we can apply the chi-square test in the nominal scale. Second one is the ordinal. Ordinal scale is also a categorical. It is also categorize the sample respondents, and the one more feature is we can arrange that all sample respondents in order. That is the second, that is one of the character of the ordinal scale, and we cannot find any distance of that all, and we cannot find any origin, and the median is application, statistical application that we can apply in ordinal scale. And also we apply the semi interquartile range from measures of central dispersion, and also we apply rank, order, and order correlations. So the rank means, for example, in ordinal scale, if the question is uh, which is the first, which is the which are the priorities to learn more effectively. For example, if it is a question, so from that there are so many options. One is a continuous learning, and adaptation of technology, and dedication, and so many options if we have given for that question. So among that all options, which is the first one which is having the most priority among all the variables, so that in we can arrange in order wise, we can give the rank also from all that responses. And next one is interval scale. Interval scale is that scale also arrange also classify, means categorize all the respondents and also arrange in order. Another advantage is to find the distance of the uh, uh, options, find the distance of the sample respondents. For example, how we can do it. So here the interval scale example is measuring of our human body temperature. So human body temperature range, and for the normal range and the severe range, there are the two ranges that we can we can take as example. So these two are definitely have the magnitude. So this kind of scale comes under interval. So for that we can apply arithmetic mean. We can calculate the average of the uh, of the sample respondents, and standard deviation, variance, coefficient of variance also we can calculate by using of the statistical application, and T and F test is also apply that we can apply for the to know the test of significance. So this is interval scale, and you see the interval scale and then the ratio scale. So ratio scale is also a categorical classification, and also we can also arrange in order, and it has a distance, and finally another character of this ratio scale is which has a unique origin. So these four elements, four characters that a ratio scale has. So for this scale we can apply arithmetic and geometric mean, and also standard deviation, variance or coefficient of variance also we can calculate, and T and F test also we can do for test of significance. So these four scales are the main these four scales that we can apply in measuring of opinions of sample respondents. uh, and one more important note is in interval scale, number one means the one as an arbitrary starting point. The ratio scale has the natural origin 0, so which is a very meaningful. This is the difference between the ratio and interval scale. These four scales we can use in collection of samples. Thank you very much.